Hello friends, today we'll see the recipe of taco seasoning. In most of my Mexican recipes, I'm going to use this seasoning. So if you are following my recipe, then please try to make this seasoning. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1.5 tablespoon of onion powder, 1.5 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1.5 tablespoon basil leaf, 1.5 tablespoon of pink salt. If you don't have pink salt, you can take normal salt. I'm going to take peppercorn and crushed red pepper. These two things there is no measurement. Keep it lower side because we are going to use it for seasoning. For marination, you can use red chili powder or pepper powder afterwards. I have taken few cloves, around 7 to 8 of it. This is just to enhance the flavor. You can take cinnamon powder to enhance the flavor. Now I have taken less pink salt also because we are going to use for seasoning. If you are using this seasoning for marination, then definitely you have to add extra salt to your marination. And also garlic powder, one more thing I like in my seasoning and to my marination also. So if you like garlic powder, you can increase your garlic powder. Here I am not going to add sugar to the powder because I am going to use it for seasoning, but while marination, don't forget to add sugar to your marination. Now add all your ingredients to a mixer and grind it to a fine powder. Then your seasoning is ready. This seasoning I usually add to my Mexican rice, then tacos, quesadilla, sandwiches, and any other Mexican dish if I am making. This seasoning goes well with any Mexican dishes, and if you want you can experiment with other dishes also. So try this and let me know. This powder is perfect for seasoning, but if you are using for marination, just add a little extra spices whatever you like, because I like more garlic powder and pepper powder to add my marination. So I add extra garlic powder and pepper powder while marinating my chicken or anything else. Now our powder is done, so we'll store it in a glass jar, and this powder you can store up to 6 months, but don't try to store it more than 6 months because that freshness it won't be there, and it's not too tough to make, so you can make it fresh and use it. I prefer to store it maximum 2 months. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get new recipe every day.